Thunder!
Ungeschütztes Ziel! Scheiße! Runter!
Alles klar, verstanden.
Ich sehe nichts!
Don't shoot!
Damn you, Kingsley. We picked you as a kraut. Lucky we didn't fill you full of lead.
Nice to see you, gents. Where do we stand?
Captain didn't make it, so we're on our own now. I say we dig in and wait for the rest of the 6th Airborne to assemble.
Henry said we have till dawn to destroy the artillery. If we don't, the invasion fails.
So you fancy yourself the captain now?
Sunup's an hour away at best. There's no time for a sit-down.
Yeah, there's also no muscle and no cavalry coming to save the bloody day. The only thing we can do here is to die or try not to.
Hey, you two scrapping over who's got the bigger bollocks ain't gonna solve nothing.
Those German casemates aren't that far away. I think we can get to them in time. So I say we take them out.
The company's scattered. We're pissing in the wind at this point.
You know what's at stake. You all do.
This is madness.
Hey, we're beyond madness. Look, I'm with Arthur. We finished the mission.
All right, Kingsley. Looks like you're in charge now. Casemates and Valhalla are that way. We should get moving. What's the plan, Kingsley?
Let's get a path cleared.
You heard the Sarge. Clear that debris. Waiting on you, Kingsley.
Are we going to pull this off without the cap? I don't want to shoot. Can't feed me before Jerry found us.
Don't blame yourself. The whole operation was a mess from the off.
Hey, Sam showed up right in the nick of time. See if I've skirted it. Getting about safe, you won't like it.
Those lights on the cliff. That's the coastal defense battery.
The bridge is well guarded and the bank's too steep.
We secure the bridge then. It's our only move.
You're the boss.
Keep low. Watch that truck.
We have an opportunity here. Stay quiet and get close.
Multiple targets.
Open fire! Take them down! They're falling back! Move up!
Get down! MG on that half track!
Split up! Find another way round!
On Kingsley! Keep him covered! Incoming! Left side!
Focus on the depot!
Right! On the depot!
Focus on that door! start and push!
Let's cover behind the cart, lad!
LMG's tearing this place apart! We get it out! Forward!
Focus fire over there! Take out the reinforcements!
Attack to the front! Good work, lad! That'll do!
Hit that half track!
Enemy troop!
Hit that half track! Suppress the half track, MG!
Gunner down! Infantry in the open! Let's go!
Forward, now! Take the bridge! Keep that tower MG down!
Get rid of that enemy!
Hit the tower gunner!
Hitting the MG!
Solomon, quick hit there!
And that's it!
We need a grenade on that MG!
We're too far! I'm ready, Kingsley!
So good! He's still up! Excellent, son! Bloody hell! We made it!
Alright, let's move it. Everyone on that transport. Who remembers how to drive a bus? I got this, Sarge!
Well, that was a fucking kerfuffle.
Hey, Sarge, got it done. We're still here, aren't we?
I suppose.
8 men standing against the Nazi gun fort. Richard said I'd gone mad. Sometimes, a little madness is called for. I think deep down he understood that. And realized we were cut from the same cloth.
Webb went up ahead. Think they're waiting on you, Sarge.
Yeah. But there's no way that we can... I mean, we're going to need serious firepower is what we're going to need. To even, like, penetrate that bridge.
Look at those defenses. Bloody hell. Up here. They're waiting at the table up here.
How's it looking, Sergeant?
Best see for yourself. Let's get you the lay of the land.
Our targets are the guns housed in those casemates.
And we can only get there through a horde of Germans armed to the teeth.
That bunker's our way in, but it's packed with MGs.
It'll be a hard push.
Think you can handle taking out the lower gun?
I fancy my chances.
First job's getting across that minefield. But that anti-tank ditch could be useful. I've got an idea.
I'm all ears.
We can punch a hole through the mines with those blitzers there.
And the bunker will make mincemeat out of us as soon as they hear the engines coming.
We're going quiet then. No engines. Bail at the last second, let gravity do the work. That should get us to the ditch at least. Well?
I love it. But I think you should go first.
All right then. As soon as you hit the ditch, get the men ready. Tommy, you with me?
Oh yeah, drive through the minefield, take the bunker, strap some thermite to some highly explosive weapons. Piece of piss, Sarge.
And you, get a second sun burning in the sky. If our ships don't see that flare, if they don't know we've won, they'll fire on the guns and risk taking us with them.
Well, I don't know about you, but I think I'll take very little consolation in knowing that the fire that killed me was friendly. Don't worry, Gov. I won't forget to aim up.
Truck's ready. We'll be right behind you. Godspeed, Kingsley.
We've got a job to do. Get out there.
West side! He's gone! He's just given to where we're in position, Sam! Wait on your orders!
We're ready for orders, Kingsley.
On my command, we charge! Charge! Go, go, go!
Forward!
Need to deal with that MG!
Keep your head down, eh? Push it!
Blow that bunker! Push in! Bunker clear!
Ready on the door, just waiting on you, boss.
You take the lower casemates, I'll take the upper ones. Don't forget the flare.
Let's move out.
Right, Sarge. All right, boys, this is it. You're on me.
Tommy!
Dragons back. We need to clear the door. All right, lads. Up of you. With me.
Press it fire now! Press that half track! Now! MG down! They're falling back! Keep pushing! Hit the left half track! Keep the left half track down! Watch that half track! Move! Move!
They're reinforcing!
tracks for cover! Push! Fire ahead! Stay behind the half track! Don't give those MGs a target! Move this thing, now! Stick on it, lads! Stay covered! Almost there! Surround the MG! Keep pushing, lads! Over the top! Let's go! Toss the 77!
Eyes on that door! What's the door? Clancy, cover!
Evans, take point!
Got it, Sarge! Lights are out. I'll cover ahead while you find a torch, Sarge. Bloody hell, it stinks in here. Sarge, torch over here. Best grab it. Bloody hell. Up ahead now. Look at that fucking monster.
One down, one to go. That's the last of the thermite.
Sarge, I could use your help here.
Barely see a thing in here. Take it slow.
This place is a damn maze, but it should connect to the other casemate. Who was that? Eyes up. Christ, that was close. Now every crowd knows we're here. Stairs over here.
Grenade! Get down!
Where'd it go?
Sounds like Webb did his part. The rest is up to us. Shit! Take cover!
Smoke ready. Clear him out. Smoke up. Go on. Casemate is clear. How are we blasting this one? We're out of thermite.
I'll feed it to Bangalore. Let's get up top before this thing explodes. Up top before this thing explodes.
You have the flare, Sarge? Bombardment. No! Get out and fire the flare! Sergeant, the flare! Bombardment's any minute!
Damn! Flare's ruptured.
You've got to be fucking joking!
Where's Webb?
There, lower casemate!
Incoming! Get down! I'm going for Webb's flare! Get everyone to cover!
We need to run for it!
Webb? Webb! Where the hell have you been? Funny time to take a kip.
I was just waiting for some outcaster to come and save the day.
Well, let's you and I signal our boys, shall we?
We'd lost our captain, but we'd won the day. And we'd honored the memory of all those we lost, the only way we could, by completing the mission. You look at the soldiers under your command, and hope that they can do the difficult thing, the impossible thing. That flare told me I'd been right. This is what it means to be a leader. From all the